I thought this would be the satisfying part, the moment the van stopped feeling empty and started feeling like it was becoming something. I didn't feel like that at all. When you start a build, everything feels open, too open. Ideas fit easily in empty space. Plans make sense when nothing exists yet to challenge them. Installation isn't difficult work, it's just slow. Somewhere in that repetition, the excitement leaks out. You just realise you're putting jobs off that should take minutes. Framing should have fixed that. Structure always feels like progress. But once lines appear, decisions harden. I didn't stop because I was tired. I stopped because committing felt heavier than starting. The build moved forward. I'm not sure I did.